So now guys, we have successfully know how to create an ordered list in our web development or in our website. So now let's get to how to create ordered list. Ordered list, as I told you, in an ordered list we use ordered list as tag. So in an ordered list, in ordered list, what we do is to use tag which call or which means ordered list, and then inside we add line 1 as we did before here in our unordered list. As we see here, this ordered list is for building or creating ordered list. This is comment for how to create ordered list. First of all, we add element 1 or line 1, which is the first element, second element, third element. So it is actually completely the same as what we did here in an ordered list. And what you call is to save. You see an ordered list here. This is the comment that displayed. But here in our unordered list we have to this is not here. This is going to be closed here. You see, as I told you, anything that we write must be inside of our tag, and then we can use to save. You see, it become ordered list 1 2 3 up to 5. Here in our ordered list we have to add something like head 2, for example, as I'm doing, and my favorite cards. You see, for example, my favorite cards. Oh, sorry. Okay, my favorite cards, or my favorite, because we use item, my favorite are items. You see, and then go ahead and save. You see, this is the heading 2, for example, heading 2 to specify what we are displaying in our ordered list. First of all is first item, second item, until to our wishing one. So this also we successfully also build our ordered list in our website. So now as task, go in your Visual Code and try these two things that we learn together, how to create ordered list and an ordered list. Just try to build your favorite books in an ordered list, and in the ordered list, for example, put in there some of your favorite shows, favorite cards, something like that. It's a demo. Do it and pause and go and do it. We'll come back and continue our course together.